How to fix Microsoft Outlook password pop-up problem. So here I am in the Outlook application. So from here, if I want to add another account, what I can do is that I can just simply go to File, and then from here I can just click Add Account. From here, you can either click Connect right away, but sometimes it will have that problem where even when you click Connect and even when you add your password, it just doesn't move on to the next step. So what you need to do here, you need to click Advanced Options and then click this one. Let me set up my account manually. From here, click Connect. And then from here, choose the appropriate platform. Since I'm using an Outlook account, I can just click Outlook. From here, it says the Exchange account settings. I can just click Next. And then, since my account is already saved, my password right here in my desktop, so it just says account successfully added. But if your account is not saved in your browser, you will just enter your password right here, and then you should be able to move on to this part successfully, like the account successfully added. So you don't have the password pop-up problem anymore. So from here, click Done. And then you should now have your account added right here in your Outlook lists or Outlook accounts right here. And then if you are still having that problem, what you can do now is that you can use the repair feature of Outlook or Microsoft. So just click search and then go to the control panel. And then from here, go to programs and features. From here in the search bar, type in Microsoft. So you will see this Microsoft 365 or Microsoft 365 apps for business. So you have the normal Microsoft 365 right here if you're just using a personal account. And the apps for business is when you're using a business account. So just choose what you are using and then click change. Click yes. And then you have the two repair features of Microsoft. So you have the quick repair where you can fix most issues quickly without an internet connection. And you have the online repair which fixes all issues but will take a little longer and requires an internet connection. From here, I prefer using quick repair first. And if it's still not working after using quick repair, now you can use online repair. So it also says right here that you can select this option if you're still having problems after quick repair. So just choose the option you want to use and then click repair. And then when you do that, you need to wait for a little while until the repair feature finishes. After that, you just need to open Outlook again and then try logging in. And then your problem should now be fixed. And then that's it. So that is how you can fix the Microsoft Outlook password pop-up problem. I hope you learn how to do it. And thank you for watching.